We have the Pop and Lock. So this one is a really nice high gloss serum. I'll use it on this half of my hair. It just makes it nice and shiny, gets rid of frizz, and you can also use this before you use your hot tools. Another really good one to use before your hot tools, Olaplex 7. This one is also great. You're gonna see that they're very comparable. I kind of alternate between using Olaplex and Color Wow. This one smells really nice as well. And what's nice is it just gets the frizz right out of your hair. Another great one to defrizz, 1 Minute Transformation. I swear by this stuff. It's a cream, comes out like this. Pop it in your hair and then you can style as normal, or you can just use this as the only thing you put in your hair. And it really does transform your hair so fast. Again, smells absolutely beautiful. Now, if you want a really, really good conditioner, Olaplex 5. I'm almost out. I'm having it right now in my shower upside down. Olaplex, I use the entire line, and I have really credited it to getting my hair just back into good shape. My hair is very dry and can be very dull, and Olaplex and Color Wow make a huge difference. And then between my shampoos, I go about a week. I use a lot of dry shampoo. This one's one of my absolute favorites. It's by the brand Amika. It's called Perk Up. You're just gonna shake it, hold it away from your hair, spray it in. I usually go underneath as well, and that's it. If you wanna use this as a volumizer, you can also spray it in and you'll see it gives you great volume.